it's me Anaya and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm joined by Crystal, and you may be wondering why are we wearing some poor outfits or whatever you want to call this. It is because today we are doing a poor versus rich daily routine video. So yeah, let's just get into it. Finally here again. Now I need to look if there's any houses that I can get. Honey, honey, you cannot fall asleep on me. We need to look after a house we can get because we're really poor right now. Honey, I actually think this house is perfect. Okay, yay! We will move! Well, before we live on the streets, so I don't really know if we can call this move. Honey, no respond? But I actually think this is perfect. What about this then? Okay. Well, it seems nice, and it only cost $2,000, and they're giving furniture with. Okay, then we have $2,000 because we were sitting on the streets. Okay, Mom, let's just buy this. It's cute enough for us, and it's tiny, so it fits us. Yeah, honey. Let's buy it. And the $2,000 we got from a nice lady from the street, we can use them on the house. Okay, Mom. I hope it will be for the best. Yeah, me too. Let's go in. Okay, I think I will just pay maybe tomorrow. Oh, I didn't even notice. It's so gross. Or I should be thankful. Okay, Mommy. Honey, I know it's not that good. But let's check the house out. Yay, we're finally home again. This is so great to be rich. Oh, honey, can you put the pets to the sleeping area? Honey, can you respond? Why are you so quiet today? Oh, sorry, Mommy. It was just 'cause I was listening to Beyonce music on my iPhone 11. Honey, what did I tell you? Don't flex. Sorry, Mommy, but I'm not telling you to anyone else. I'm not even flexing, Mom. Sorry, honey. Come, March. Honey, calm down. I'll just put March to sleep. Oh, honey. This is kinda late. Go sleep. Honey, it is late. Okay, Mommy. Good night. I said fine. Okay. This is my room. Honey, you cannot forget like that. We've been living here like 5 days. Yesterday we lived in our summer house. I know. I'm not sending you to private school to get dumb. I'm sending you to private school to get clever. Okay, I guess I'll sleep in that crib. Yeah, let's go sleep, honey. No more drama. Wake me up. I don't want to wake up myself. Ugh. Oh, I feel like I got a message. Oh, I won the lottery. Again? Well, that's fine. Done looking at the house. I'm kind of happy we have somewhere to live now. Now we don't get rain on us. Mom? Yes, honey? Wonder what she's gonna ask me for. She never asked me for anything. Can I get a pet? Honey, you know we don't have that kind of money. Sorry, honey. I'm not meant to hurt your feelings, but you know, we cannot just buy all that stuff, even though I know we just got a house and all that, but we cannot buy everything. I really like you, and I, honey, I love you actually, and I don't want to hurt your feelings. Okay, I will go get us something to eat. No, that is my job. Just stay home. We only have, I think we have kinda $4. Okay, Mommy, but can I play outside, please? Okay, go play. Don't get lost. Only play in front of the house. Okay, honey? Promise me that. Honey. Okay, Mommy. Okay, I will get food. But, honey, I got us some food. And it's kind of tasty. I think it's not rotten, don't worry. Here you go. I hope you like hot dogs. You have never tasted them before, right? Okay, Mom, I'll come in 1 minute. Okay. Text on phone. Honey, stop always being on the phone. Let's just take a quick drive over here. Oh, look at that house. Gross. So tiny. Ew. I'll just look a bit close to it. Maybe it's pretty. Okay, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here. That's gross. That's gross. Closes phones. I agree. Yeah, honey, we're so right. So, let's go discriminate that house. They must be noobs. Yeah. Let's spray paint it. Good, I always got some for the poor houses. Lol. Do paint on that side. I could build it better, I bet. Honey, look how good I spray painted. Let's run away before they come home. Come, honey, fast. I'll paint the roof here. Okay, paint fast. We'll go now. Honey, that looks amazing. And, yeah, they should hate it. Oh, there is she. She isn't home yet, and she's in the backyard. And it was at ours since he's like, oh, she's home. Hi, honey. Mom? Yes? What happened, honey? Look what I found. A dog? That is so cute. I love it. It's a little tiny baby puppy dog. Yeah, honey, I love it. But are you sure you can take care of it? Really, honey? Can I keep him, please, please, please? But didn't you hear what I asked you? Honey? Honey? Please respond. Please stop thinking that long, because that makes the time go faster, and then the dog is gonna cry. Yes, I promise. Okay. But did you see the paint outside? I actually think it's so pretty. No, not really. The one who did it did not think that we will like it. Lol, they are rude. They are dumb too. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was so fun to make it. And yeah, I have never tried to make one of these videos because, yeah, I haven't been posting that much. Sorry for that actually. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, see you guys next time. But before you leave, press that bell button because then you will get a notification every time I post something new. And subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye y'all!